AI is not the future. It's here and now. Mastering AI is essential for students preparing for their careers and for instructors shaping the future workforce. Meet Altair AI Studio. More than 4,000 academic institutions and millions of students around the world already use this no-cost software. AI Studio is part of the Altair RapidMiner platform, used by thousands of firms around the world, including financial services, pharma, automotive, and aerospace companies. Its intuitive visual interface makes AI Studio easy to learn and lets you build models without writing any code, or as much code as you like. Anyone can learn to use AI Studio. You can perform data analysis without any coding by using intuitive drag-and-drop workflows and automated modeling. Or you can include your own Python and R code in your AI Studio workflows. And the majority of people in the middle of this spectrum, citizen data scientists, can enjoy the best of both worlds. One platform for everyone. And the best part, AI Studio is completely free for students. And instructors don't have to spend time teaching the software. They can concentrate on the important concepts underpinning data analytics, machine learning, and AI. We provide self-learning resources, case studies, and real-world examples, so students can get hands-on experience right away. Be real-world ready. Be AI ready. Visit our academic hub now